Imagine a world where you can own a piece of your favorite brands. Welcome to the stock market, a thrilling playground for investors and dreamers alike. Welcome to the world of the stock market. Imagine a landscape where even ordinary individuals can become part owners of remarkable companies. Navigating this world can seem complex, but with commitment and knowledge, you can find success. The first step is to embrace your investment journey. Every decision you make brings you closer to financial prosperity. Trust the process and stay informed. Opportunities in the stock market are limitless if you approach them wisely. Let's consider the importance of understanding different market sectors. Each sector, from technology to healthcare, presents unique challenges and chances. Emerging trends can affect companies significantly. The more you learn about these sectors, the more empowered you become in making informed choices. Next, let's discuss diversification. This strategy involves spreading your investments across various companies and sectors. By diversifying, you can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. This balanced approach can cushion you against market volatility. As you experience the market's ups and downs, patience is essential. Prices will fluctuate, but seasoned investors focus on long-term goals. Avoid the temptation to sell during panic moments. Remember, resilience and time work in your favor. Investing is not just about buying shares, it's about adopting a forward-thinking mindset. Every investment decision contributes to your financial growth and control over your economic future. Explore different sectors, foster a community with fellow investors, and refine your strategies. Stay motivated by your progress and those who share similar journeys. In summary, embrace your role as an investor. Understand sectors, diversify, exercise patience, and remain committed to continuous learning. Now take action. Start exploring investment opportunities today and shape your financial future.